Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. I am staying tonight at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This was a very last minute booking and part of my extension of my stay, but as you can see, I am in room 7551. It is in the Little Mermaid buildings and I have a king bed instead of two fulls, so I'll just show you what that looks like. Let's go in and see. Okay, so room 7551. When you walk in, it is very nice and spacious in here. Ignore the fact that I literally have 3 backpacks for whatever reason. You have a view, which I'll just show you in a second when I finish with the tour, but you have everything Little Mermaid themed, from the curtains to the shower curtains to the mirror over the bed here, or sorry, over the table here, literally everything. So when you come in, you just have this nice little table with these clam chairs. There's 2 chairs and a table that is very thoroughly themed. So this is all of the music to Under the Sea from The Little Mermaid. And then moving up, hello, you have a bunch of fish and shells. So you've got your thermostat on the wall here, and then down below you have your trash and your recycling. Now you'll see that unlike most hotel rooms, most Disney hotel rooms, there's a lot of floor space here. I mean, there's a ton of space over there in the corner. You could fit your luggage or something like that. That's largely obviously because the bed is just the 1 king bed instead of 2 beds. But it's pretty great if you have a lot of stuff and there's just 1 or 2 of you that can sleep together in the same bed. So because of the extra space, we have 2 nightstands, 1 on each side. This one has your room phone, and then just behind it an outlet, and then the Holy Bible in the drawer as well. You do have just on the wall here 2 electrical sockets, and next to the bed you have the light for over the bed. So this is a king bed. It really is huge. There's 5 pillows on it, and I'll show you there are more pillows in a minute. The art in here is absolutely great, and it does vary from room to room. So when my sister dropped me off here, she told me that she's had different art, but we have Prince Eric and Max. And then next to the bed, we also again have a bedside table. This time you have 2 electrical sockets and 2 USB ports, which is really nice. And then you just have a drawer here and some storage space underneath. The storage in this room is great because it is so big. You have tons of space under the bed, so you could put all your luggage there, but you could put your luggage here or where I showed you before. There's really tons of room on the floor. And again, 2 electrical sockets there. Now across from the bed, you have your TV. Of course, Resort TV is on when you come into the room, showing you everything that's going on across the Walt Disney World Resort. And you have this nice dresser stand here. So this, while it looks like drawers, is actually your mini fridge. And it's pretty small, I will say. You can remove some of the shelves in here, but it's pretty short. You've got some space for some drinks or milk or water, what have you, but it's not massive by any means. And then these ones are actually drawers here. So they're pretty deep, good size. You could pop some stuff in there. And there's really, yeah, plenty of space in those ones. And then just on top of the dresser unit, you have a Cuisinart coffee machine. So these are the ones where you get the little packs. So it's different than some of the DVC studios, for example, or the cabins that we just stayed in, which have a filter coffee maker. So this can brew 1 or 2 cups of coffee depending, and then you get paper cups to serve yourself in. Next to it, you have 2 electrical outlets. You can't see, there's kind of one back there, but it's hard to tell, as well as 2 USB cords, or USB sockets, sorry. And then again, 2 electrical outlets and 2 USB sockets. So there's plenty of space to charge all your goodies. You've got your informational booklet, the remote control all wrapped up, and then your ice bucket with some more plastic cups. Of course, we're in a lockout room. We always seem to get lockout rooms. This one has a coat rack just over the door here. And then, like I said, everything in here is sort of as on theme as possible. So you have this wildly under the sea themed curtain here. It's a great resort for kids because the theming is so good and so authentic to the movies. And then in the bathroom, again, still really on theme, still really under the sea looking. You've got your extra pillow and your blankets, and you've got some extra towels up top here as well. You've got a rack with all your hangers, your ironing board, your safe, your iron, and then over here you have your luggage rack, so even more space, as well as underneath the sink unit. You've got tons and tons and tons of floor space. Hello, I'm in the mirror there, and then you've got your one sink, no Jack and Jill or anything like that. You've got your hair dryer underneath, and then just on top of the sink unit, you actually have loads of washcloths. You've got a hand towel, your soap. The Value Studios do not have the H2O lotion in them, so that is worth noting. And then you have one of these little mirrors that I hate, and 2 electrical outlets. And then moving into the bathroom unit itself, you have Ariel in all her glory there. You've got the toilet with 2 extra rolls of toilet paper, some towels here, and a full-length mirror going into the bathroom there. So always love those. And then if we do actually go in and show you the shower, you've got the H2O bottles mounted on the wall, so no small ones. All the resorts are moving to these eventually if they haven't yet. You've got thingamabobs and whatsits all over the wall decor here, and then just your standard shower with a shelf for the soap. So that is everything. This resort is so cute. I was such a big Little Mermaid fan growing up, so thoroughly enjoying staying here. Really love the resort. Really excited to go out and explore everything that the resort has to offer, because there are lots of different statues and cool characters throughout the resort, from the Little Mermaid rooms to the Lion King, Cars, and Finding Nemo rooms. So I'm gonna go have a look at that over the course of the day. But if you've stayed here before, let me know what you think. Absolutely love it. It's so truly Disney. And if you're staying here in the future, I hope you have a great time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you real soon. Bye.